Hello students, how are you all? Hope you people are well and fine. Now students, I am starting with the second chapter in geography, that is physical features of India. In the map, as you can see, I'll show you all the 6 features one by one. These physical features are also known as relief features. First of all, I'll show you in the map what are these features. The first, at the start with the top, the first brown part that you can see that runs from west to east, this is the Northern Mountains. We call them as the Himalayan mountains or the Northern Mountains. Then below it we have the Northern Plains of India. This is number 2. Then we have come down, then we have this triangular feature is known as the Deccan Plateau. We call it, this is a plateau region. That is, it is also known as a tableland which is flat from the top. Look like the mountains but it's flat at the top. Okay, so these we have these are known as the plateau. So here we have a Deccan Plateau here. Then number 4 we have this part, northwestern part, that is the Great Indian Desert, also known as the it is also it is the Great Indian Desert. Okay, it is also known as Thar Desert. Yes, so also known as the Thar Desert. Then comes your number 5th. These are the coastal plains of India. Coastal plains of India. On the west we have Western Coastal Plain. On the east we have Eastern Coastal Plain. Western Coastal Plain and the Eastern Coastal Plain. Then number 6 we have Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. These are all the physical features that I told you one by one. Now I will let you know how these physical features are formed. These physical features are formed by the activity, or we can say the movements of the plates. Okay, we call them as a plate tectonics. As we know that the earth crust is made up of 7 major and many minor plates. Okay, and these plates, because of the earth's heat, because of the earth's temperature, okay, these plates are in continuous move. So when these plates move, okay, these physical features are formed. Now I'll let you know about this movement. Okay, there are 3 types of movements of these plates. Number 1, when these plates comes towards each other, it is known as the convergent boundary. When these plates move away from each other, it is known as the divergent boundary. And in the event of 2 plates coming together, these may either collide and crumble, or one may slide under the other. At times, they may also move horizontally past each other and form the transform boundary. Because of these movements, these 3 types of movements, these physical features are formed. Now, I'll let you know about all these physical features in detail one by one in my next video. Okay, thank you.